Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite collections of books that I have in my blacksmithing library and collection. And those books are the Coursera or Coursera volumes. There's 3 volumes of this, I guess that's what you call them, or 3 books. It's a 3-book set. They do branch off into some other things like concept designs and things like that, just more like prints. Or patterns type deal. I believe they have a couple other books that are kind of spin-offs of these. But this is the main branch work of them. And I'm going to go over them in order here. And so the order that these go in is right here. They are the Blacksmith's Craft. This is the very beginning and first installment of the books, I believe. Yep. Then after that, it is Decorative Ironwork, all by Coursera. Then, the last but not least, it is Wrought Ironwork. Now, this is, and I may have got those last 2 mixed up, but the jackets sometimes throw me on these things. These books are very, very valuable. They're a great read, great instruction in there. There's only a few places in there that you could probably disagree with some of the fundamental practicing, as again it is taught mainly from the perspective of the author who've written the book here, or the industry that kind of put it together. It was kind of the accepted norm at the time, and so you kind of have to again breeze through it, see what you can take and adapt to your own smithing work. But it's so it's the Council for Small Industries in Rural Areas, and it's Britain's council on that. And so it's really good. They have a lot of different stuff in here, from wavy bars to water leaf scrolls to patterning, diagrams, you name it. They got a lot of good information in these books, and I really enjoyed reading these. They don't take too long to read through. It's a couple good, maybe good half-hour, 45-minute reads each, maybe. And you can get through the entire books. Again, they're a great thing to come back and resource for information, and they are a nice form factor as well. So this isn't a review. Again, I'm not sponsored by these people to say that. These are fairly hard to get your hands on, especially the last one, the Wrought Ironwork in this series, in this set. I'm happy to have all 3 or the completed set. But there's something to definitely check out. And one of my most recent ones that I have picked up here, book, that I found was very interesting, and this isn't the Coursera ones, this is just a bonus for you, is Hammerwork, Power Hammers and Steam Hammers. Now, I got this on eBay. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. I believe you can get them on Amazon as well. If I can find any links, valuable links that won't go dead, in a week or 2 because everybody bought them out, I'll leave those in the link in the description as well. Those are affiliate links, so they go to help support the channel at no additional cost to you. So, but yeah, these show some different power hammer, foundation types, tooling, goes over some different stuff, talks briefly about some different forging methods and stuff like that. And it's a pretty handy book. So I'll put the link to all those down there in the description, and you guys can check them out for yourselves. But I can highly recommend the Coursera book, especially if you're just getting started and you're needing to learn something about this great craft. Also, there's a heap load of information on the internet and YouTube. Some of it's good, some of it's not so good, some of it's verified, some of it's not so verified. And just reading books kind of breaks up some of that monotony and kind of gives you some different angles from another way of looking at it once again. And so you can apply that to your own smithing techniques, your own shop. Try it once, see what you think about it, and always just keep practicing and you'll just get better and better. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Remember to subscribe and that whole jingly bell for notifications. That's what people like to say. Check out the channel. There are a lot of forging videos on the channel. If this is your first time with us, there's a ton of forging videos on this channel. We have over 956 videos as the recording of this video. out on the subject of blacksmithing and centered around blacksmithing and blacksmithing businesses to help you grow in all areas of your life. So hopefully you liked this video enough to give it a like. If you did, great. And as always, God bless you, and we will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.